back to the Jeep Garage. Today, what I'm going to tell you. If you guys have been following me on YouTube, you know that I put a quick clips of me driving my CRV with no water blades. And this is the reason why. Hit like, hit share, subscribe, like this video. Let me show you. Yeah. I already started taking it apart because I gotta go to work. As you can see, this right here broke. This is the arm that came out. We're gonna take this out real quick. I'm gonna give me a number 10. We're gonna take I already took all this out. It's very easy. I'll show you how I gotta do it. But I have to hurry up because I'll start working soon. So I want to take all this out and I'll show you the replacement. So what I did, I went online and I ordered. So I went online and got OEM part numbers right here. This is, you got two. You got the long one and the short one. And I believe the one that broke on me was the long one. This is the part number right there. In case this happens to you. And we are replacing these. So let me get my number 10. And I got the gun already out there. Now you can see this is the reason why it fell. It broke from there. This is the short one, this is the long one. I bought both of them. And it's very easy. All you have to do is press a little bit and they come right off. And again, this is the short one. Yep. So you don't have to do nothing. They come pre-greased and everything. Pretty nice. So all you have to do is basically you pop it in here. Pop it there. Yeah, that's pop already. Yep. And then you do the same here. You grab it and you pop it in place. Okay, not popping. Okay, let me try that first. There we go. That pop already. That pop too. Okay. So now we're gonna do the top one. Top one's not broken, but since I already got them, might as well use them, right? So you can grab something like this. Gotta go underneath. Trying to pop them. There we go. That's pop. That's pop. So I'm gonna put this one to the side. I'm gonna save this one just in case in the future I need one. I got an extra one. So basically we're gonna pop it right here. We're gonna pop it right there. Oh wow. You know, when they're old, it's very easy to pop them up, but when they're new, woo, giving me a headache. Okay, that's on. You don't have a place to work, it's kind of hard. All right, guys, so they're both on, one brand new right now. Hopefully it works pretty well. I didn't screw up nothing. I don't know if, man, because this moved as soon as I did it, it moves. But let's connect it and let's see how it works. Alright guys, so I got it figured out. So basically what I did, turn the motors on, watch them move, and then I stop them when I went top end. And that's what I put this one first, then I did that one. It's hard to have somebody, you know, when you want to record stuff and you got nobody else to help you out. But you turn the key on now, and accessories. I want to put some water on. Boom, they're working. I got wiper blades. And it's perfect because I got it to come all the way up to here, all the way up to there. So my CRV got wiper blades again, and I'm grateful for that because the other day on Saturday, whew, I had a rainstorm of hell. But listen, I want to show you one more thing before you guys go. I'll put you right here so you can see that. Hopefully the camera doesn't fall. So this camera likes to fall down a lot. Hold on. Got an idea. There we go. All right, cool. All right, so after you guys are done with this, you put this in, you put this in. You're gonna have to put these little guys in. Right? You have to put these little guys in. Like I told you, you go to AutoZone, you can buy them. They're perfect. They go on the hole. The only one that doesn't go on the hole is that one. But everything else, you go in here,